Today, we're demonstrating the Doculabs Customer Service application in Salonis. The customer service process we're focused on consists of all the activities involved with a customer needing to make a change to their account. Typical requests include things like a request to establish or change a beneficiary, changes due to death or divorce, or a simple address change. The process exists in all firms, and particularly financial firms, from insurance to banking to brokerage. We have anonymized exemplary data into this app to illustrate a typical process extracted from a line of business system. Most of these systems are homegrown and span multiple functional areas within the firm. The data set represents the as-is process, and we're going to examine this process in detail to understand friction, delays, rework, and error rates in order to improve several different key performance indicators, thus improving both profitability and customer satisfaction. Those are the main objectives of this analysis. So we start with what we call the Variant Explorer. This is a digital X-ray of the actual process extracted from real data from the client. And here we're looking at the most common variant, which covers 7% of the cases, and the duration median is about 1.1 days. The total number of cases we're looking at is over 23,000. And each of these individual tasks add up to 557,000 tasks. And we're seeing the process start in general with a request for information changed to account. So this is the client contacting a firm either directly or through a financial services advisor to change something inside their account. We'll go to the Overview tab next. This is sort of an executive dashboard. It provides a very high-level look at our process. Key metrics are on the left in terms of the numbers of cases and tasks that we're looking at, and the key performance indicators are listed across the top. We have a number of additional analysis tabs within the Salonis analysis, but we'll focus only on a couple of them. First touch and duration being the first one. Looking at the source of the request. When the source is mail, we find that the first touch and duration increases by a day on average. So clearly the mailroom is a bottleneck. So we're going to work on that. We can also see the customer satisfaction drop from 6.8 to 5.7. But more significantly are when the account type is brokerage and the request comes in through the financial advisor. You can see that customer satisfaction drops to an extremely low 4.9, and the account retention is extremely low. Luckily, we have an automated solution that will help mitigate this problem. With over 750 different integration points that can be configured, it's easy to build a solution that recognizes advisors' noncompliance on the checklist, determining if the data is available from another system, and pulling that data into the workflow, thereby reducing cycle time and improving customer sat. In cases where the data is not available in another source, we remind the financial advisor through an email and attach the appropriate checklist.